Yo! So remember my last video I was talking about there's one more shoe that we're waiting from Adidas following the Yeezy they drop. Well, a week and a bit after, it's finally arrived. Now, I've got to be absolutely honest, right? It's not completely Adidas's fault. It's a little bit our fault. But hey, let's not watch that. Let's just move on to the review. Bang. Yay! The much anticipated, much deliberated shoe. Here we are. Okay, 700. See now, 700s. When you review so much, you're just trying to think which ones haven't you reviewed. Yeah, you see? Okay, wait, this is a Safflower? Would we say Safflower? Yeah, if it's wrong, correct me, guys, because I have no idea. He's mad, the guy. Yeah, Safflower? Safflower? I think I'm going to go for Safflower, right? If it's wrong, correct me, guys. I have no idea. Infinity laces. Well, yeah, normal laces because they've got infinities on. Okay, good. Now, these are like the yellow ones, looks like the Azraf. Oh, okay. Okay. So I think I'm trying to figure out if I like these more or less than the Zions. Okay, so I do, the silhouette of the 700s. I am a fan of. I am a fan of, actually. I do like it. All right, yeah, admittedly, yes, these are quite chunky, a bit like the 380s. But you got to give them their juice. I do like them. I still do think they should listen to what I said in my previous video about the dark glows, that it should be completely black, and where it glows should be reflective, right? Now that, I stand by that. And maybe there will be a colorway, and they may do that. But looking at this colorway, I don't know, I guess the Safflower, for me, it's a bit like sunflower. Maybe it's just a bit of play on words, but yeah, there's just a bit of yellow, a bit creamy. Yes, we've got the rubber there. If ever you want to get it muddy, it's all good. But yeah, you see, like the 700s. I think if you have like one of the primary ones, I think the Azraf are great. The Azrael as well were good. The dark glows and the dark glows and the clay browns, you wouldn't want to add another one. You really wouldn't add another one. Even the Azraf and the Kyanite, that's what they are, the Kyanites, the Azraf and the Kyanites, they're like same sort of colours, like it's the same sort of colourway. So I just think, are they running out of ideas? Now, don't get me wrong, there'll be some of you guys be like, nah, mate, these are sick, Jordan. What are you talking about, bruv? I don't know, man. I think we've reviewed a lot of them, and they are nice. They are good on your feet. They're comfortable on your feet, as you know. They're not the Boost, the orthopedic ones, but they're still comfortable, right? You get the good size. It's not going to burn your feet when you're walking around. So yeah, I mean, there's not really much to say, is it? We've got like the two-tone, like cream colors. See, as I'm looking at these, I'm just trying to think, what would they work with? And I think these work well with shorts. I just got I got shorts in my mind with some socks on there, and I just think they just really work well with socks. But I guess, yeah, you can wear them anything, but yeah, I'm not sold on these. Now, these ones were slightly different to the others. So obviously on the Yeezy day, we had ones where, you had to get in a queue and, you had to pray and hope that you got them. But these ones were by invitation only. And it just makes you think, right? What invitation list you have to be on to get offered these ones, and not like the straight up black ones, right? So yeah, this is like, if there's like a celebrity list, there's an A list and B list. It's definitely like a G list of the invitation. You know, again, I'm hating, right? But there'll be some of you out there that really love them. But listen, if you've got a pair of these and you rate them, don't listen to me, man. Rock them hard. Post the photos of it on StyleVersusTrend.com and let the whole world see how you rock them. You know, because it's like, it's, you know, I'm just like that sometimes, but I just hate on something for no reason. But I just can't get over the name. I have this thing where if I can't pronounce the name, if I can't say the name, I'm not gonna wear it. It's like these designers, and I'll have the name up on the bottom of the screen here, and I can't even say them. I can't even say them, so I don't even never want to wear them because I don't want to do the dishonor myself, really, of saying shit wrong. So yes, here we are, the Safflower, that's what I'm going for. The Safflow's 700s. So what do you think? I'm still not in the cop of these, and like I'm saying, I see why they did an invitation earlier. They really wanted to get rid of the last stock that they had. No, but there'll be people that really love them, and you know, God bless you guys. So what we did with these ones is that we went for a complete size up. So you know, I'm a 9, but I'll go 9.5 in boost. But for these, I went a full size up. Yeah, so I went a full size up, and what I discovered is, because obviously like the dark glows and the kyanites and that, they're all very tight, like very, very tight. So they run quite small, and even getting them on, it's a real tight squeeze to get them on, which, you know, you don't really anticipate that. Yes, it's probably the infinity laces. It probably is, but you know, I do like the infinity laces because I'm not about tying those shoelaces, man. Especially when it takes you so long to get them on. So would I cop these? No. Again, I think if you have any of the other colorways, don't add this to your, well, why would you add this to your collection? That's really the bandwagon that I'm sitting on. That's really what I'm thinking about. You know, if I've got a few of the colorways, I'm not gonna add these. It's not like the 350s. You know how much I love the 350s, where you just, you know, the colors are just mad. So you just, you know, want to get as many as possible. This colorway doesn't work for me. And hopefully Kanye and the Yeezy crew will somehow, somewhere will watch this and do a completely black one with reflectives on them. Like mad. Anyway, before I keep going on. Anyway, tune in for the next video where Nike copy Adidas.